Moza Air 2 is capable of handling most DSLRs, mirrorless cameras and pocket cinema cameras weighing up to 4.2 kilograms, long battery life up to 16 hours, gimbal weight 1.6 kilograms. Hello, my name is Slava and I want to show you a new product from company Goodsen Moza Air 2. This device is packaged in a white box with a handle. User manual, 4 batteries, counterweight, follow focus gear ring belt, tripod, intelligent charger, toolbox with many accessories and cables, eye focus, support rod adapter, quick release plate, gimbal, assembly Air 2, attaching the tripod, installing batteries, mounting the quick release plate, mounting the camera on gimbal, balance adjustment, lock the roll axis, balancing the camera, balancing the tilt axis, unlock the roll axis, balancing the roll axis, balancing the pan axis, control overview, power button, dial, menu button, S button, M button, joystick, wheel, smart trigger, novel design, angled arm for an obstructed view of the camera screen. OLED display provides information feedback and helps to adjust the gimbal and the camera parameters. Switch follow modes. Each axis of Air 2 has follow function, and the follow functions of each axis can be independently controlled. If you press joystick once, it can turn on or turn off pan motor follow. If you press joystick twice, it can turn on or turn off roll motor follow. If you press joystick thrice, it can turn on or turn off tilt motor follow. Combining the functions of the axis, you can get 8 models of following. Adjust the follow speed of each axis. Under the default status, turn the dial, and the follow speed values of the axis on the screen will charge. One-click S button, Sport mode. Double-click S button, Inception mode. Long press S button, Auto Tune. Auto Tune can also be turned on via menu. With accessories that are included, build and install eye focus. Fasten the adapter to the quick release plate. Install support rod adapter. Mounting quick release plate. Install eye focus. Connect the eye focus to the gimbal in multicam. Installing follow focus gear ring belt. Balance the gimbal. Power button on the bottom side. The speed of response of the focus wheel is configured in the menu. And you can also set the start and end focus points. With the Moza Master app, you can connect to Air 2 via Bluetooth, control the camera, and configure gimbal. And also set the settings for time-lapse.
I was standing outside waiting. Всем привет. Это Славка. Давайте посмотрим, что же в этой коробке. Так, тут видно, что в коробке. Давайте посмотрим, что же находится в этой коробке. Или... Привет, Юра.